Malalaman mong yun yung path na dapat mong tahakin. When everything is aligned. Lahat bumabagsak sa harap mo na parang wala ka ng choice kundi mag-move forward dun sa nakabukas na pinto na yun na para sa iyo. It's always hard to leave the familiar and it's always painful yung transition from the familiar to the unfamiliar. But once you take that leap of faith and steps, makikita mo na, ito pala yung pinipare sa akin ni God na parang makikita mo na nagdasal ka lang for a flower. He prepared the whole garden for you. Tapos may seasons lahat ng buhay. You move on to the garden, tapos akala mo ito na yung promised land. Then there will come a time in your life na the season is over. You have to move on to the next level or next stage in your life. And you will know that it's the next stage and it's the next level when God closes that door for you.